Hello everyone, my name is Norman Abrin. Welcome back to our series on getting started with Java, Oracle JDBC, and the Oracle database. In this video, we will talk about the new OCI Toolkit plugin for JetBrains IDEs and how we can leverage this plugin to manage the lifecycles of autonomous databases in the Oracle Cloud straight from our development environment. You can find the plugin's official page through this link, or you can also search for the name OCI Toolkit. In this version, the plugin primarily supports managing the life cycles of these four database workload types, and you can virtually do so without having to leave your JetBrains IDEs. The full list of what you can do using the plugin are also listed down here below. To get started, there are two ways to install the OCI Toolkit plugin. You can either directly install it on your IDE, navigate to Settings, then Plugins. Inside the search bar, type in OCI Toolkit. You can find the plugin with this particular icon, then click Install. You can also download a specific version of the plugin from the official plugins web page that you can find here. Once downloaded on your IDE, back in the plugins window, click the Gear tab and make sure you select Install Plugin from disk. All right, let's demonstrate this in the following demo. Here I am using IntelliJ and I have a basic Java application configured to connect to a database that we will be creating with the plugin. Let's begin by installing the plugin. We will first navigate to the settings and under plugins, make sure you are on the marketplace tab. We will search for OCI Toolkit and it should look like this. Let's click on install. Once installed, the Plugins Cloud icon will appear at the bottom. Click on it to view your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Explorer for autonomous database resources on your cloud tenancy. Now, you need to configure your OCI config as it is used to authorize operations on your behalf, such as retrieving databases on Oracle Cloud, and we also need it to create one from here. Clicking on this cloud icon at the top right, we can view the OCI config window. You can navigate to your OCI config file here and also select which profile to use or add a new one. If you're not familiar with OCI config files, click on this link to learn more. Once you're done, click on Apply. From here, click on Create Autonomous Database. Here, I will select the compartment in which I want to provision an autonomous database in. However, I will keep my database in my root compartment. I'll quickly update and provide the rest of the required information, such as the database name, the password, and click Create. With a provisioned Oracle database, here we can see the state of our database and other information related to it. If we right-click the row pertaining to our database, we should see a context menu and the actions we listed earlier that we can take to interact with this database, such as downloading the wallet, configuring network access, etc. In this context menu, we will select Download the wallet, and here it should bring up a window in which we will click on Download Wallet and provide a password. And before we forget, we need to select the wallet location, which I will put in my downloads directory. Back in our Java application, I'll be making minor modifications since I already have everything prepared. I just need to replace the directory in which to get the wallet from, which is the downloaded wallet. After that, let's just run it. This Java application runs this select query and retrieves the database version, startup time, and status columns. As a result, we can see that our SQL query ran successfully against a database that we just provisioned with the plugin. Wrapping up this video, if you would like to learn more about the OCI Toolkit plugin or try it out for yourself, make sure to check out these links. All right, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.